Hi everyone, big welcome to my channel, and we're going to be looking for the general solution given these conditions. Where you have y of x, it simply means you're going to be finding the general form of the solution for the given conditions. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to look at our conditions, and we're going to start from this condition, this one. We're going to be bringing like terms together, then we forge ahead from there. So here we have dy dx equals 8x roots of y plus 3. So we want to move roots of y plus 3 to the left. So that would be 1 over root of y plus 3 dy, and we'd move the x to the right. We have 8x dx. So we just, rearrange the equation. So we already see that if we find the integral of both sides, we would be finding the value of an expression for y. So now we want to find the integral of this side, and we'll do that using the u substitution. So let's say that our u is y plus 3. This means that the u is the derivative of y is 1, so we have 1 times the y, that's the y. So now we have that our du is dy. So what this simply means is that we are going to have, for this side, would have the integral of 1 over square root of y plus 3 is our u, so we are going to have u, then the u, because instead of the y, now we have the u, equals this. So we can rewrite 1 over the square root of 2. We know that the square root of 2 is u raised to power half. And when you have 1 over 2 raised to power half, that will be the same thing as writing u raised to power minus half du equals 8x dx. Okay, so moving forward, we are going to remember from the last slide, this was the last expression we had. Du equals 8x dx. So we're going to resolve this. Our power here is minus 1 over 2. So to resolve this, solving this integral, we have u minus 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 over 2 plus 1 equals, the integral of this would be 8x raised to power 2 all over 2. Of course, let me break this down further. We all know that this is, because this is raised to power 1, 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus the constant of integration. So this would be half minus half plus 1 is half. So you have u raised to power half all over half equals, this is 8x raised to power 2 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4x squared plus c. So we just want to make this look nicer. So if u raised to power half is divided by half, this means that we're multiplying by 2 over 1. You see that? So you have 2 times u raised to power half. So this is something as 2 times u square. So we're going to have that here. 2 times u square equals 4x squared plus c. This is a c plus c. Okay, let's wipe this off. All right, so we have to remember that the value for our u is y plus 3. So if our u is y plus 3, we are going to have 2y plus 3 equals 4x squared plus c. So we can start by, we want to find what our y is. We want to find an expression for y. So we're going to start by removing all of this little by little. So let's start by removing 2. To remove 2, we just simply divide both sides by 2. And when we divide both sides by 2, we have root y plus 3 all over 4x squared divided by 2. That would give us 2x squared. C is a constant. Constant divided by 2 would still give you a constant. So we can conveniently write C. So now, to remove this root, we can simply square both sides. Square both sides. So when you square this side, you have y plus 3. And when you square this side, you have 2x squared plus c. Everything squares. So to expand, this is y plus 3. If you expand this, you have, this is just like saying 2x squared plus c times 2x squared plus c. So 2x squared times 2x squared, that would give you 4x raised to power 4. 2x squared times c, that would give you 2x squared plus c. No, 2x, let me write this down. 2x squared c plus c times 2x squared, 2x squared c times c plus c squared. So let me feel free to wipe this off. So it means we have y plus 3 equals 4x raised to power 4 plus these two can add together. We have 4x squared c plus c squared, and of course c squared would still give us a constant, so we can simply leave it as c. So moving over to our next slide, we have y plus 3 equals 4x raised to power 4 plus 4x raised to power 2c plus c. And to have our value for y, we subtract 3 from both sides. We have y equals 4x raised to power 4 plus 4x squared c minus 3 plus c. So remember that, let's go, we have y1 is equal 6 as part of our conditions. So if we say that y1 is equal 6, let's substitute 1 for every value of x in this derived expression. So now we have, let's say y1 equals 4. 1 raised to power 4 is 4. 1 raised to power 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. You know what I'm saying? Plus 1 raised to power 2 is 1 times 4. 4 times c, that's 4c minus 3 plus 1. So that gives us 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 1. That gives us 2. So we have, remember, y of 1 is 6. So here we have 6, and we have 2 plus 4c. So if this moves over here, we have 6 minus 2 equals 4c. 4 equals 4c. This means that our c is equals 1. So if our c is equals 1, it means we can now find or write down the general solution for this. So I think we should just, let's quickly grab this. Let's grab this. Yeah, copy. So grabbing this would have, let's just put it somewhere here, paste. So when we grab this and seeing that our c is 1, it means we can quickly just write y is equals 4x raised to the power 4, right? Plus, where c is 1, this time times 1 would be 4x squared, minus 3 plus 1 would be minus 2. So this is our answer. This is our answer. Instead of writing, because this is now in terms of x, instead of writing just y, we can say y of x. So this is our answer. You can still rewrite this in another form. And if you want to rewrite this in another form, you could simply just say 4x raised to the power 4 plus 4x raised to the power 2 minus 2. You can factorize, and when you factorize, you would have this plus 1 minus 3. So either ways, whichever one you choose would give you the correct answer to this problem. If you expand this, you're sure going to have this expression. They are equal to each other. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you were able to pick one thing, and I also hope I was able to break it down into its very finest. Please like my video, subscribe, share, comment. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.